In an AP given A equals to 5, B equals to 3 and AN equals to 50. Find N and Sn. Okay. See, A equals to 5, D equals to 3 and AN equals to 50 is given. So now we will find the values of N and Sn using these terms. Okay. Since, see the problem, since AN equals to how much? 50. Okay. What is the formula of AN? A plus N minus 1 into D equals to 50. Okay. Here the value of A is 5 plus N minus 1. We will find the value of N only. N minus 1, D value 3 equals to 50. So N minus 1 into 3 equals to 50. 5 transpose to right side minus 5. N minus 1 into 3 equals to 50 minus 5 is 45. So N minus 1, 3 how many times? 15 times. So N minus 1 equals to 15. So N equals to 15 minus 1 transpose to right side plus 1. Therefore N equals to 16. In this series how many terms are there? 16 terms are there. Now we will find the value of Sn. So Sn equals to N by 2 into A plus AN. Here N equals to how much? 16. S16 equals to 16 by 2 into A value is 5 plus AN is 50. Okay. 2 how many times? 8 times. So 8 into 50 plus 5 is 55. So 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 4 is 44. So S16 equals to 44. That means 440. Second one, A equals to 7, A13 equals to 35. Find D and S13. Okay. So given A equals to 7 and A13 equals to 35. So A equals to 7 and A13 equals to 35. So since A13 equals to 35. So A13 equals to 35 means what is the A13 formula? A13 formula A plus 12D. A plus 12D equals to 35. Okay. So A value 7 plus 12D equals to 35. So 12D equals to 35. 7 transpose to right side minus 7. That equals to 35 minus 7 is 28. 35 minus 7 is 28. So 12D equals to 28. D equals to 28 over 12. So see 2 6 times, 2 14 times. Okay, again 2 3 times, 2 7 times. So D equals to 7 by 3. D equals to 7 by 3. Now here I got D value. Now I want S13. S13 equal to formula. What is the formula? S13 equals to N by 2 into Sn equals to actual formula is N by 2 into A plus AN. So here how many terms are there? 13 terms are there given. 13 terms. So S13 equals to 13 by 2 into A value 7 plus AN value 30. AN value A13. So write that one first. Okay. 13 by 2, 7 plus A13 value 35. Okay, 35. So 13 by 2, 7 plus 35 is 42. 7 plus 35 is 42. 2 how many times? 21 times. So 13 times of 21. 13 1s are 13, 32 is 26, 26 plus 1 is 27. So S13 value 273. Problem 3. Given A12 equals to 37, D equals to 3. Find A and S12. Okay. Since given what is given A12 equal to 37, D equals to 3. Okay. What is the A12 formula? A12 equals to A plus 11D equals to 37. Now we will find the value of A and S12. Okay. So A plus 11D equals to 37. A value I don't know. So A plus 11 times D value 3 equals to 37. So A plus 11 times of 3 is 33 equals to 37. So A equals to 37. 33 transpose to right side minus 33. 37 minus 33 is 4. Therefore the value of A is 4. The value of A is 4. Now we will find the value of S12. So since Sn formula, what is the formula? N by 2 into A plus AN. So now I want S12. S12 equals to 12 by 2 into A value. Here A value is here. Here A value is 4 plus A12. So write again. Okay. A plus A12. Okay. That equals to 12 by 2. Here A value. Here A value 4 plus A12 value. Here A12 value 37. So 2 6 times. 6 times of 4 plus 37 is 41. So 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So final answer is 246. Fourth one, A equals to 15. Given A equals to 15, S10 equals to 125. Find B and A10. Okay. See given A3 equals to 15 and S10 equals to 125. Okay. So since A3 equals to 15, A3 value A plus 2D equals to 15. Say it is 1. Okay. Also given that, and S10 is given, that is 125. S10 value. So S10 value, what is the S10 formula? S10 formula n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now I want S10. S10 is S10 equals to 1 by 2. N by 2. Here n equal to how much? 10. 10 by 2, 2A plus 10 minus 1. N is nothing but 10 minus 1. Here D value I don't know. Write like this. So but S10 value how much? 125. 2 how many times? 5 times. So 5 into 2A plus 10 minus 1 is 9. D. Okay. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So 525 times. 25 equals to 2A plus 9D. Write in a proper order. 2A plus 9D equals to 25. Say it is 2. Okay. Now solve 1 and 2. So solve 1 and 2. Now we will find the value of D and A10. Okay. So solve 1 and 2. So 1 multiply with 2. 1 multiply with 2. Then 2 times of A is 2A. 2 times of D is 2 times of 2D is 4D. Okay. Equals to 2 times of 50 is 30. Okay. Write 2 as is. So 2A plus 9D equal to 25. 2A plus 9D equals to 25. So minus. 2A cancel. 4D minus 9D is minus 5D. 30 minus 25 is 5. So the value of D is 5 over minus 5. So that is 1. So D equals to minus 1. Okay. Now I got the D value. Now A10. Now we will find the value of A10. Okay. Since AN equals to, what is the formula? AN equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now I want A10. So A10 equals to A plus, here A value how much? Okay, we don't know the value of A. Okay, using this one, find the value of A. Substitute D equals to minus 1 in 1 or 2. What is 1? A plus 2D equals to 15. So A value A plus 2 times of D value minus 1 equals to 15. So A plus times the minus is minus, 2 equals to 15. A equals to 15 minus 2 transpose right side plus 2, that is 17. A value is 17. Okay. Now A10 equals to A plus A value is 17 plus n minus 1. Here n is 10. 10 minus 1, D value minus 1. So 17 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 minus 1 is 9 times of minus 1. So 17 plus times of minus is minus 9. So 17 minus 9 is how much? 8. Problem 5. Given D equals to 9, S9 equals to 75. Find A and A9. Okay. See the solution. Given D equals to 5 and S9 equals to 75. Okay. What is the Sn formula? Sn formula is n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D equals to D. Okay. So here now we will find the value of A and A9. Okay. Since S9 equals to how much? S9 equals to 9 by 2 into 2A. I don't know the value of A. 2A plus n minus 1, n is 9, n minus 1, 9 minus 1 into d value 5. First find the value of a. So S9 value 75 equals to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 8. 9 minus 1 is 8 into 5. Okay. So 75, 2 transpose reduction multiply with 2 equals to 9, 2a plus 8 5 is 40. 8 5 is 40. Okay. 2 times of 75 is 2 times of 150. 150 equals to 9 times of 2a plus 40. Okay. See, 150 equals to 9 times of 2a is 18a. 9 times of 40 is 360. Okay. Now 150, 360 transpose right side minus 360 equals to 18a. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay. 3 minus 1 is 2 equals to 18a. Okay. Now 200 minus 210. So 2 minus 210 by 18 equals to a. Okay. See the 3 table. 6 table. 6 3 is 18. 6 3 is 18. 6 5 is 30. So a equals to minus 35 by 3. Minus 35 by 3. So now I want a9. A9 value how much? A9 equals to, what is the formula A9? A9 equals to a plus 8d. So here a value minus 35 by 3 plus 8d value 5. So minus 35 by 3 plus 8 5 is 40. So minus 35 plus 340 is 120 by 3. So problem 6. In an AP given a equals to 2, d equals to 8, Sn equals to 90. Find a and an. See this problem. Okay. Given Sn equals to 90. What is the Sn formula? Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So here Sn is 90 equals to n by 2 into 2a value 2 plus n minus 1 d value 8. So 90, 2 transpose reduction multiply with 2 equals to n into 2, 2 is 4 plus 8 times of n is 8n minus 8. So 90 times of 2 is 180 equals to n into 4 plus, okay, right, 4 minus 8 is minus 4. 4 minus 8 is minus 4 plus 8n. So 180 equals to n times of minus 4 is minus 4n. N times of 8n is 8n square. Okay. So here minus 4n plus 8n square. 180 transpose reduction minus 180. Here nothing is there, nothing is not there, so equals to 0. So write in the proper order. 8n square minus 4n minus 180 equals to 0. So here 4 is the counter. 4 is the counter. 2n square minus 2n, minus n minus 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is equals to 0. So 2n square minus n minus 45 equals to 0. 4 transpose right side, 0 by 4 is nothing but 0. So now split this one into split this one into factors. 2n square. How to split this one? See, 40 by 2 is 90. 40 by 2 is 90. So say 90. So 245 times not possible. 350 is there. So not possible. 3 again 5 times. Okay. 5 2 is 10. 3 3 is 9. So this one can be written as minus 10n plus 9n. Minus 45 equals to 0. See, 10, 5 2 is 10, 3 3 is 9. So take 2n is the common in these two terms. 2n is the common. Still what is the n minus 5? Here 9 is the common. 9 is the common. N minus 5 equals to 0. Again here n minus 5 is the common term. So n minus 5 is the common. So still here 2n is there. Here plus 9 is there. So equals to 0. So n minus 5 equals to 0. See, n minus 5 equals to 0. N minus 5 equals to 0. Another one is 2n plus 9 equals to 0. 2n plus 9 equals to 0. N minus 5 equals to 0 means n equals to 5. So here 2n equals to negative 9. So n equals to negative 9 by 2. Okay. Since n is not positive, since here n is positive, here n is positive, here n is not positive. Okay. So n is not positive, numbers are not possible. When one more, this is a fraction. Fraction is also not possible. Therefore, n equals to 5. Okay. Now we will find the value of an. An equal to what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into b. Okay. Here a 5. N equals to 5. A 5 equals to a value 2 plus n minus 1. 5 minus 1. D value how much? Here d value 8. So 2 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 into 8. So 2 plus 4 is 32. That is 34. Problem 7. Given a equals to 8 and an equals to 62. Sn equals to 210. Find n and an. See the solution. Given a equals to 8, an equals to 62, and Sn equals to 210. Okay. Since Sn equals to how much? 210. What is the Sn formula? N by 2 into a plus an equals to 210. So first find the value of n. Here a is 8, an is 62. So n by 2 into a plus a value 8, an is 62 equals to 210. So n by 2 into 8 plus 62 is 70 equals to 210. So observe that 70 3 times. 73 is 210. So n by 2 equals to 3. So n equals to 3. 2 transpose right side, multiply with 2. So n equals to 6. Okay, now we will find the value of d. Okay, see, since an equals to 62. What is the formula? An formula a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 62. Here the value of a is how much? 8 plus n minus 1. N is 6 minus 1, d equals to 62. So 8 plus 6 minus 1 is 5d equals to 62. So 5d equals to 62. 8 transpose right side, minus 8. So 62 minus 8 is 54. So 5d equals to 54. 5d equals to 54. So d equals to 54 by 5, that is 5 ones are 5 tens are 0.4. D equals to 10.4. Problem 8. Given an equals to 4, d equals to 2, Sn equals to minus 14. Find n and a. See here. Given, what is given? An equals to 4, d equals to 2, Sn equals to minus 14. Okay. So now we will find the value of n and a. Okay. Since an equals to 4, what is the formula of an? A plus n minus 1 into d equals to 4. The value of a, we don't know the value of a also. A plus n minus 1, d value 2 equals to 4. A plus 2 times of n, 2n, 2 times of 1, 2 equals to 4. So a plus 2n minus 2 equal to 4. So transfer these two terms to the right side. So 4 minus 2n plus 2. Minus 2 transpose right side plus 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6 minus 2n. A equal to 6 minus 2n. Okay. Now what is the value of Sn? And Sn equals to minus 14. Sn formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equals to minus 14. Okay. N by 2. We don't know the value of n. N by 2 into 2. A value how much? 6 minus 2n. 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1 into d equals to minus 14. Okay. So n by 2 into 2 6 are 12 minus 2 2 are 4 plus n into d. Nd. Okay. Here d value how much? D value is 2. Okay. N into d minus 1 into d equals to minus 14. Okay. See. So n by 2. N by 2. Okay. 12 minus 4n plus n d value 2 minus 1 into d. 1 into d is d. So d value is 2 equals to minus 14. So n by 2 12 minus 14. 12 minus 14 is 10. Minus 4n plus 2n is minus 2n equals to minus 14. So n by 2, take 2 is the common here. 5 minus n equals to minus 14. Here 2 to get cancelled. N times of 5. 5n. N times of n. N square equals to minus 14. Now these two times transpose to right side. So minus 14. 5n transpose to right side plus minus 5n. Minus n square transpose to right side plus n square. Here nothing is there. 0. So write in a proper order. N square minus 5n minus 14 equals to 0. So now divide into factors. N square. This one can be written as minus 7n plus 2n. Minus 7n plus 2n. Minus 14 equals to 0. So take n is the common from the first two terms. N minus 7. From the second two terms, take 2 is the common. N minus 7 equals to 0. So n minus 7 is the common term. N minus 7 is the common. Here n is there. Here plus 2 is there. N plus 2 equals to 0. Now n minus 7 equals to 0, n minus 7 equals to 0 and n plus 2 equals to 0. So n minus 7 equal to 0 means n equals to 7. So here n equals to minus 2. N equal to minus 2 is not possible because n must be a natural number, positive number. So positive number is clearly it is a natural number. 7th term, 5th term, 6th term, it is not possible to say minus 2 term, minus 4 term. So therefore the value of n is, it is not possible. Therefore the value of n is 7. So now we will find the value of a. Okay. Since an equals to how much? An equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an value 4. 4 equals to a value. We don't know the value of a. We will find that one only. A plus n minus 1. N is nothing but 7. 7 minus 1. Here d value 2. So 4 equals to a plus 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 into 2. So 4 equals to a plus 6 2s are 12. So 4, 12 transpose to outside minus 12 equals to a. 4 minus 12 is minus 8. So therefore a value is minus 8. Problem 9. Given a equals to 3, n equals to 8, s equals to 192. Then find the value of d. Here s is nothing but sn. Okay. See the solution. Given a equals to 3, n equals to 8, n is given, that is 192. Okay. So now we will find the value of d. Since n equals to, what is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. What is the value of Sn? 192 equals to, okay. So here n value is 8. 8 by 2 into 2a, a value 3 plus 8 minus 1, n minus 1 into d. Okay. So 2 4 times. So 192 equals to 4 times 2 3s are 6. 8 minus 1 is 7. D. So 4 4 times 4 8s are 32. So 48 equals to 6 plus 70. So 48, 6 transpose left side minus 6 equals to 70. So 48 minus 6 is 42. 42 equals to 70. So 42, 7 transpose to left side divided by 7 equals to D. 7 how many times? 6 times. Therefore, the value of D is 6. Problem 10. Given L equals to 28, S equals to 144. And there are total 9 terms. Find the value of A. See, what is given? Given L equals to 28. L is nothing but last term. Here how many terms are there? 9 terms. So A9 equals to 28. Okay, next. So Sn is given, that is Sn equals to 144. How many terms are there? 9 terms. That is S9 equals to 144. So n equals to 9. 9 terms are there. So see, since what is the formula? Sn formula? Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, here S n equals to 9. S9 equals to 9 by 2 2a. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is one formula, and one more formula is there, that is a plus an. Here a is the first term, an is the last term, so a9. Okay, this is another formula. So S9 value 144 equals to 9 by 2. A value, we don't know A value, plus A9 value 28. Okay. 2 transpose left side, 144 into 2 equals to 9 times A plus 28. So 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. So 288 equals to 9 into A plus 28. So 288 by 9 transpose left side divided by 9 equals to A plus 28. See here, 9 3s are 27, 9 2s are. So 32 times. So 32 equals to A plus 28. So now we will find the value of A. 32, 28 transpose left side minus 28 equals to A. 32 minus 28 is 4. Therefore, the value of A is 4. Which equals to, see, 0 minus 5 is 5. So here 11 is there. 11 minus 3 is 8. So 85 by 3. So the value of A9 is 85 by 3.